Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to discard a card from your deck on a Marvel Snap. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Marvel Snap game on your device, and once you have completed the basic tutorial levels and you have access to various different cards or your deck, you will be taken into the main menu from which you can start playing your game right away. Now, if you wish to discard any card from your deck, then you can tap on the cards menu at the bottom section at the left side of the main option. This will take you into your card collection page where you will be able to see all of the cards that you own, and you will also see your decks at the top section. Now, while you cannot discard any card from your card total collection, you will be able to discard them from the decks that you have created or the ones that have been auto-generated. Tap on whichever deck you wish to edit, and now you will see all of the cards that exist within this deck. You can tap on any card and you will be able to see the details, within which you can also see the remove from deck option. Go ahead and tap on it, and now this card will be removed from your deck and you will have one more card to add to this deck. You can tap on as many cards as you wish that you want to delete, and this will be removed from your deck right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to discard any cards from your deck on Marvel Snap. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.